Hey YouTube, it's me again, coming at you with my 16th vlog. This is the start. You may be hearing some traffic noise around here, and I just thought that I would start introducing you, and I'm not going to tell you where I'm at, I'm going to let you guess. So let's start with a clue. How's that? If you look up at the top of that picture, that'll be a pretty good clue as to where I'm at. So what do you think? Pretty nice mural there, right? Alright, next one that I want to show you is over here on this wall. So this one's awful big and kind of hidden back here. So let's just start on this end. There we go. So there's Dan Blocker, Hoss Cartwright, Salros alumni from 47 to 50. So he was actually here then. So you can see good Western stuff. Kokernot Field, home of the Cowboys. Galveston, Harrisburg, San Antonio Railroad. So there's that. Brewster County, largest in Texas. Big Bend National Park. Hallie Stillwell on Old Red. She's a big part of Big Bend, actually. A lot of the history. Everett E. Townsend, Texas Ranger, Sheriff, U.S. Customs, State Legislator, father of Big Bend. So, kind of important. And then greetings from, what does it say? Alpine, Texas. There we go, right there. And right down here at the bottom of it, you can see it's one of my favorite little animals. No, not a pig. That is a javelina. Okay? And then finally, over here, you can see we got this. Pretty big and tall for me to get, okay? So, two pretty cool murals in Alpine, Texas. Let's go find some more stuff. Alright, so over there across the street, you can see that one vehicle that's blocking with that dog coming across the street. But we've got this mural over here. It's a pretty good size. But if I do like that, yeah, I can fit it in easy that way. But you can see there's a cowboy on a horse, and there is a cow underneath there, but that vehicle's kind of blocking it. So that's the next one. So let's keep going and see what else we can find. Alright, so here you can see we've come to our next one. And it's the Alpine Lumber Company. Building Material General Hardware, as you can see down there. Old slogan, we put pine in Alpine. So, another pretty cool mural that hope you like that one. I think it's kind of neat. Alright, so let's just keep walking and taking a look. Alright, we have a lot of traffic here, but you can see across the street is the old Granada Theater. So you can see that right there. And I'll wait for traffic to pass. Then we'll go over here and take a look at it closer. There's a closer up of the sign. Pretty cool. Box window. See, even a revolving door. They got tables and things set up in there, so that's pretty cool. Here they got Texas Mountain Yoga and Recharge, Rejuvenate, and Reconnect. So that is that. Pretty cool. Let's move on. Alright, so this is as close as I can get to this mural in this building. This thing is some kind of a, I don't know what it is, feed store or something, I guess. Garden center, I don't know. I'm shooting this through a fence. You see that there. So just have to hold it up and give you the best view that I can. And hopefully it's coming through good. So there's that mural. Alright, so here across the street from what I just shot, it's this little trailer. Got these pictures on them. And then you got this one right here. Show a little bit close because of the sun. So yeah, getting on the bottom of it there now. Cool. So that's neat. And see, that's that one across the street over yonder. Then there's that. Serving, I don't know, coffee and stuff, I guess. Okay, so just a building away from what we just shot. You've got this here. And here, see this tile down here. And check this out. I think you can stay in all these things, actually. Check this out. Pretty cool, huh? There's a dog up there at that one. I just think the shape of that's pretty cool. Alright. Let's go out and I'll show you a couple other quick things with all this mosaic broken glass on it. And then of course right behind it, you already saw part of this. It's got this mural. All along there. Alright. Okay, there's a great big lizard on that orange wall back there, if you can see that. A gecko or something, I don't know. Pretty different. Murphy Street Mercado. Alright, so right here, right down in the middle of town as well, they've got this rail car and that nice painting there on it. You see it says Sunset Limited, looks like. Carry on 2017. And it says Alliance Pacific, and up there, railroad established 1882, Alpine, Texas. Established 1888. Okay, interesting. Here, maybe you can get a look inside this thing. Oh, is it? Yeah, it says, watch your step here. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Oops, we can get in it. Ooh, there's a knocked down chairs blocking the door. Bathroom. Little desk. There's a seat. One like that's blocking the door back there. Windows are open. Stove for heat.
This would be cool to restore. Like
And that was probably a bed at one point, be my guess.
to rent it out or to make it like a B&B or something.
Yeah.
Be cute.
There's a lot of work.
Yeah, a lot.
Alright, then here's what the little park looks like. Where this is at, and that's the main street right there. And that's where I started at, was over across the street. Those 3 different murals, so there's all of that. Alright, well, we'll wander around and see what else we can find. As you can see right across the street from me, that's the Holland Hotel. And starting up at the very top, it's a big eagle up there on a ball. And then over here, in between these windows, like there, and there, and there, and there, are lion's heads. So that's pretty cool. Let's go see if we can take a closer look here. Let's see. Here we go. This will give us a little bit of history of it. Yeah, like that. You can pause that and read that stuff.
Look at that big chandelier made out of iron.
Okay. See that right there? A big one. Let's see if we can see what it looks like inside of here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's go take a look just to see. Here we go. Oh, look here. Got a deer hanging there. A pool table in there. This settee. Mirror. Here's the Holland Hotel building, vacant for several years. Pretty cool. And then this little plaque. Let's go on through here. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that bench. That's pretty nice, actually. This must be the place for breakfast, I guess. And there's that pool table. So that's cool. Wow. It's a nice place you got here.
Thank you. I think so too.
Yeah. I like that painting. That's pretty cool. Wow, look at this woodwork. All the way through. Wow. And look at there, that's probably maybe like the original desk. Wow, look at this. Here, let me step back. Yeah, there you go, right? There's the whole thing. That's pretty nice. And check this out. Look at this wall. Look at that chandelier. Big fancy chairs and tables and things. See it from this side. Pretty cool. And boy, they got huge furniture. Huge. And this fireplace and this mantle, look at this buffalo up here. Let's take a look. Wow. That's very nice. And then look at this desk. My goodness. That's a huge desk. And I do mean huge. And then this rug, look at this. Almost looks like the tile floor, but it's a rug. And then you got this gigantic furniture. Yeah, I've seen part of that down there. I like these corbels on the ends. All the way across. Over there. And let's look at this. This is sort of a miniature version up here. Oh, this goes on back. Oh, bathroom. And another bathroom. Interesting. And look at this. Nice tile work. Very cool. Alright, so this is the Holland Hotel. Downtown Alpine, Texas. And today is Friday, February 23rd, 2018. What time you got?
Can't see. 4:17.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all have a great day.
Oh, you too. There's the stairs, all tile work. That's pretty cool too.
I like those tiles.
Yeah, you see these right here? Pretty neat. Pretty neat. All right. Let's push instead of pull. And here you go. HH for Holland Hotel. Glad I made that stop. All right, a little bit noisy here because there's an awful lot of traffic. But this is the courthouse of Alpine. So, kind of a neat building. And back on that side, they have a gazebo back there. And all these large trees. Yeah. So, yeah, let's see if we can get across without getting killed. So there you go, a little closer up. Pretty neat. And then these lights right here. There you go. And then right back there is that gazebo. I was talking about that thing's pretty big. It's another light fixture. You can see the whole thing. So that's their courthouse here. Kind of neat. So we'll keep going, see what else we can find. All right, so next stop here we found. Show you. Slowly turn around. Is this place. Kokernot Field. How you like that? historic little field here in Alpine. So that's pretty cool. So we'll walk around this thing and take a look at it. So let's go do that. Alright, so here you go. Here's another little gate. Let's just take a look here real quick and see. This is the first base bleachers. Let's just take a quick gander here while we can. Get a little bit of it for you. Here we go. There's the bleachers. And the field. And the board. Pretty cool. Alright. So that's pretty neat. Let's go on around and see what else we can see in here. Here it is from the outside. See the glass blocks. And then down here is going to be the ever famous popular sign. So the vines on there. How you fellas doing?
How are you? Good, how are you?
Very good. All right, so here we come up on the original sign. As you can see, Kokernot Field, home of the Cowboys. You didn't know the Dallas Cowboys played here, did you? But there it is. Right there. That's where you'd go in originally. Buy your tickets on either side. There's all that. So we'll continue on down there and look. Just show you. They got these little baseballs on this little gate here. And some of these little lamps here. Alright, so you see there's this little building we found on this side from the main gate that I just shot over there. And then up here, you see there's a gate. And this has got 4 sets of these 3 baseballs on them. So that's pretty neat. And then, if you want to get a little closer shot of the board down there, there's that. And look at the field from this side. And some of the bleachers right there, so pretty cool. And then this wall just goes on down with a little skate park down there too. So that's about it. I'm not sure there's anything else from Alpine, so if there's nothing else, I'll close this thing out and be a good place to end it anyway. So hope you enjoy this one. Alright, so nope, to continue the video, check this out. You can see that. And you can pause that and read that right there. Here, I'll get a little closer for you in case it's too hard. You can see this field was erected in 1947. J.E. Gray Jr. was the builder. Alright, and check out the little light up here even. Got little baseball symbols on it. And then right over here, we've got another Alpine Cowboys Baseball Club. The fellow on the horse, organized June 15th, 1946. Right there. For all players, employers, our employees and friends we have contributed to the success of Cowboy teams. This flag stands as a symbol of appreciation. Pretty cool. There's another one of them lights up there. And then, again, these little baseballs, and they got these done right. So, pretty cool. Alright, so I think that'll close her out.